Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for Indian mythology GQ quiz. So get ready to learn, play and explore the fascinating world of Indian mythology. So without any delay, let's start with our first question. Question 1. Who is the father of Lord Rama? Option A, Indra. Option B, Dasharath. Option C, Surya. Option D, Chandra. Correct answer is option B, Dasharath. Question number 2. Whose incarnation or avatar is Lord Rama? Option A, Shiva. Option B, Brahma. Option C, Vishnu. Option D, Ganesha. Correct answer is option C, Vishnu. Question 3. Who is the author of Ramayana? Option A, Vasishtha. Option B, Valmiki. Option C, Vyasa. Option D, Vishwamitra. Correct answer is option B, Valmiki. Question number 4. Who is the father-in-law of Lord Rama? Option A, Janaka. Option B, Shantanu. Option C, Vibhishana. Option D, Sumantra. Right answer is option A, Janaka. In the epic Ramayana, which bird tries to stop Ravana from carrying Sita? Option A, Vibhishan. Option B, Garuda. Option C, Jatayu. Option D, Sampati. Correct answer is option C, Jatayu. If you enjoy testing your knowledge and want more exciting Indian mythology GK quizzes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also tell us in the comment which mythology topic you want next. We would love to create quizzes for you. So let's continue with our next question. Who is the mother of Lord Rama? Option A, Kausalya. Option B, Kaikeyi. Option C, Sumitra. Option D, Mandodari. So correct answer is option A, Kausalya. Question number 7. In which part of Lanka did Hanuman find Mata Sita? Option A, Ashokavana. Option B, Kandavana. Option C, Shimshupavana. Option D, Dandavana. Correct answer is option A, Ashokavana. Question number 8. Who wanted to send Lord Rama on exile? Option A, Kaushalya. Option B, Kaikeyi. Option C, Sumitra. Option D, Mandodari. Correct answer is option B, Kaikeyi. Question 9. For how many years did Lord Rama go on exile? Option A, 13. Option B, 14. Option C, 15. Option D, 16. Right answer is option B, 14. So the last question is, which brother of Ravana joined and helped Lord Rama? Option A, Vibhishana. Option B, Kumbhakarna. Option C, Indrajit. Option D, Nagapasa. So the right answer is option A, Vibhishana.